Yes, highlight. Storefront stalking will still be a great sourcing method in 2025. Do not listen to the guys on Twitter talking shit about storefront stalking. Explain to me, please, explain to me how actually looking at what your competitors are selling on Amazon can be a bad idea. It cannot be a bad idea. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do storefront stalking. Actually 3 ways, because I'm going to talk about the most optimized way to do it. But pretty much, if you want to do it manually, there's really 2 softwares that you can use, either SellAmp or Keepa. And then I'm going to show you how to actually do that on steroids with a software that I actually developed that is called Arbitrage Stalker. Before we get into that, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I've been selling on Amazon for a little while and I helped a ton of people actually do the same, all right? You can actually look at my results right there and you can apply for my coaching program starting January 1st, okay? Or January, I forgot the date. It's starting in January, all right? You can apply, book a call with my team. We'll get you on the phone and we'll see if you are a fit, if I can actually help you scale your business, all right? So let me just show you. Okay, storefront stalking, really easy. 2 ways to do it. You can either do it with SellAmp, all right, by opening, and I'm going to compare the 2 interface, right, by opening, let's just open a random seller right here, or you can do it on Keepa. Really quick, let's open one guy, here we go. All right, so SellAmp does a great job breaking down the categories and the brand that the seller is selling. However, the thing that I do not really like, I guess, with SellAmp is that it loads 5 or 6 products at a time and you need to always click, all right? The great thing is that you get the Keepa graph on the right. You get all the data right there. But to be honest, lately I've been using the Keepa product finder. I mean, I've been using Keepa a lot more to do my storefront stalking. The reason why is because I can actually sort by how many products were bought in the past month, and it saves a ton of time because I can just focus on the top selling product instead of going through a lot of random products without knowing which one are selling fast or not. I mean, I can check, but I can actually prioritize with the Keepa product finder these products, and it's as easy as actually going here, right, on Keepa, clicking on somebody's name and going into storefront. If you want to actually choose a specific category or whatever, or a brand, you can just scroll down, all right, and choose a category, whatever. Let's choose toys and games, for example. This is what I did a lot this Q4, and then you just look at what is selling the fastest, right? Really easy. If you want to do storefront stalking on steroids, if you do not want to look at 1,000 of storefronts and just receive notification whenever storefronts that you track are actually adding products, go to arbitragestalker.com. It's my software, all right. It's going to help you source products with Arbitrage Stalker. Doing storefront stalking is going to be way easier. And let me just, this is the old URL. Here we go. This is the new URL. Just watch this video. It's going to explain to you how it works, all right. Really simple. You're going to receive notification on Discord and on the web interface whenever there's a new product. Quickly look at this, going to explain all that. And this is how you do storefront stalking on steroids, all right? Of course, it's really important to do it the manual way, right? But once it gets a little bit advanced, just get Arbitrage Stalker. You can get a free trial, by the way. 14 days free trial, just enter your email here and you are set, all right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like. Do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.